Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about wheels. We do have the 19-inch Gemini wheels on the Model Y and the 18-inch Aero wheels on the Model 3, both of which have covers to the wheel and a nice wheel underneath. So we're going to see what the difference is in looks between having the Aero cap on and off, as well as see if the Tesla wheel kit for the Model 3 would work on the Model Y, and if it does, how does it look? And please let me know what you think. Do you think it looks better with the wheel covers on, with them off? And if the wheel cap kit works on the Model Y, does it look better with the wheel kit on there or just without any wheel kit at all? Because it is a different color. You have the dark gray for the Model 3 and you have the silver for the Model Y. So here's the Model Y 19-inch Gemini wheels with the Aero covers on. Here's the Model Y with the 19-inch Gemini wheels and the Aero covers off. So does the Model 3 wheel cap kit fit the Model Y? I think it does. So it does look like it fits quite nicely. Even though this is for the Model 3. Here is the Model Y with the 19-inch Gemini wheels and the 18-inch Model 3 wheel cap kit installed. Here's the Model 3 with the Aero covers on. Here is the Model 3 with the Aero covers off. And here's the Model 3 with the Aero covers off and the wheel cap kit installed. As you can see, the Model 3 wheel cap kit perfectly matches the Model 3 wheel, which would be expected. On the Model Y, the cap cover kit for the Model 3, it fits perfectly in the middle, but obviously the color is not matching, at least to the wheel, which is the purpose of this color, to match the Model 3 wheel. And these caps do inset a lot as compared to the Model 3. I've actually grown to like the wheel covers on both the Gemini wheels and the Model 3 18-inch wheels. But I also like the wheels without the covers on, even without the wheel cap kit. I'm really hoping that Tesla will come out with a wheel cap kit for the Model Y soon. Right now you can only get the one for the Model 3, and I think it looks great. Hopefully we'll get one for the Model Y. But let me know what you think down below on which wheels look the best, which combination of wheels, aero covers, and cap kits look the best, and which do you think you would use? As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.